In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Expert Advisors in MetaTrader 5. To get started, the first thing you need to do is locate the Expert Advisor file on your computer. This is usually the file you downloaded from a provider, developer, or marketplace. You're looking for a file with either an .tx5 or .mq5 extension. If the file was downloaded as a zip archive, make sure you extract it first before moving on, because MetaTrader 5 won't be able to use it while it's still compressed. Once you've found the correct file, copy it so it's ready to be placed into the proper MetaTrader folder. After that, open MetaTrader 5. At the top of the platform, click File, then select Open Data Folder. This opens the directory where MetaTrader stores its files, including indicators, scripts, and expert advisors. When that folder appears, navigate into MQL5 and then open the Experts folder. This is the exact location where expert advisor files need to be stored in order for MetaTrader 5 to recognize them. Paste your copied EA file into this experts folder. If you're prompted to replace a file or confirm permissions, review the message carefully and continue if appropriate. Next, go back to MetaTrader 5 and click Tools in the main menu, then choose Options. In the Options window, open the Expert Advisors tab. Here, you'll need to enable the settings that allow the platform to run automated strategies. Check the box for Allow Automated Trading. If the Expert Advisor you're installing specifically requires DLL access, also check Allow DLL Imports. This setting should only be enabled when you trust the source of the EA. When you're done, click OK to save the changes. Now you'll need to make sure MetaTrader detects the newly added file. You can either restart the MT5 platform or open the navigator window if it's not already visible. In the navigator, find the Expert Advisors section, right-click it, and choose Refresh. This forces MetaTrader to reload the contents of the Experts folder so your installed EA appears in the list. Once you can see the Expert Advisor, drag and drop it onto the chart where you want it to run. Make sure you choose the correct trading chart and symbol, since the EA will operate based on that chart's settings. Finally, activate the EA. At that point, the installation is complete, and your Expert Advisor should be ready to run inside MetaTrader 5.